Hey there, change maker. Want to know why some people seem to make steady progress while others spin their wheels? It's not just willpower, it's how they program their brain for success. Today I'll show you the psychology-backed steps to actually rewire your habits and thinking so progress becomes inevitable, not optional. No fluff, practical stuff you can start tomorrow morning. Section 1. Identity first. Become the person who succeeds. Most people try to change outcomes. Top performers change identity first. Instead of saying, "I want to run a business," say, "I'm the kind of person who builds things that last." Your brain loves consistency. Each choice that matches your identity strengthens new neural pathways. Tiny acts, even small choices, are identity statements. Actionable step. Write one sentence starting with "I am." Simple, believable, future-paced. Read it every morning. Section 2. Make the cue obvious and environment simple. Your environment is your unconscious mind's operating system. Want to read more? Put a book on your pillow. Want to exercise? Lay out your workout clothes at night. This is cue engineering. Make the cue obvious, make the action easy. Remove friction. If it's harder to do the good thing than the bad wins. Practical tip: pick one cue tonight, set it up, and test it for 7 days. Section 3. Use implementation intentions and tiny steps. Vague goals fail. Implementation intentions win. Instead of "I'll study more," say, "At 7 a.m. I will open my notebook and write for 10 minutes. Start with ridiculously small steps. 5 minutes, 3 minutes, because consistency compounds. The brain learns through repetition. Tiny wins build momentum and dopamine rewards. Try this. Schedule a 5-minute task for tomorrow and mark it done. You'll be surprised how often you keep going. Section 4. Habit stacking and rituals. Attach a new habit to an existing routine. This is habit stacking. After I brush my teeth, I do 30 seconds of mindful breathing. After I open my laptop, I spend 2 minutes clarifying my top task. Rituals reduce decision fatigue. They create autopilot routes for good behavior. Design one stack tonight and test it tomorrow. Section 5. Visualize process, not just outcome. Visualization works, but most people visualize trophies, not processes. Instead, imagine the actions you'll take, the email you'll write, the 5 minutes of focused work. Process visualization primes your brain for the actual steps. Exercise. Close your eyes for 30 seconds and visualize the first action you'll take tomorrow, in detail. Touch, sound, timing. Then open your eyes and write the first step. Section 6. Feedback loops and measurement. What gets measured improves. Create a tiny feedback loop. A simple daily metric. Minutes focused, pages written, calls made. Track it. Review weekly. This external signal trains your brain. It learns what matters. Small data beats big intentions. Section 7. Protect attention. Your brain's currency is attention. Multitasking is a myth. It drains you. Block one deep focus session each day. Turn off notifications. Phone face down, silent. Set a rule. No email or social during that block. Use a timer. 45 minutes on, 10 minutes off. If your mind wanders, gently return to one task. Protect that block like it's an appointment with your future. Repeat daily. Small protected runs build huge results. Set this rule today. One deep block for your top priority. Defend it. Section 8. Scale and sustain. Systems, recovery, and accountability. Real change is a system, not a sprint. Goals point the way. Systems get you there consistently. Pick one tiny, repeatable action that moves you forward and make it non-negotiable. Build recovery into your plan. Schedule short breaks, one tech-free evening, and a lighter day each week. Treat rest as part of the system. It preserves energy and keeps you consistent. Automate decisions where possible. Use reminders, templates, and simple trackers. Reduce friction so you use your willpower on high-leverage choices. Add accountability. Tell one person your plan. Join a short challenge or post daily check-ins. Visible promises dramatically increase follow-through. Measure one tiny metric, minutes of focus or days completed, and review it weekly. Ask, what worked, what didn't, and one small tweak for next week. Celebrate consistency. Mark streaks and small wins so repetition feels rewarding. If you try this, comment below which tiny experiment you'll run tomorrow. I read them and cheer you on. Hit like if you found this helpful and subscribe for weekly practical upgrades. You're not waiting for permission. You're programming your future.